Credit cards and APR. Credit cards can be extremely useful when it comes to financing products or services. There are many benefits of owning a credit card, but spending must be made with extreme caution. Advantages include purchasing power worldwide. Many credit cards, especially Visas and MasterCards, are accepted virtually anywhere. Being able to buy on credit can be really useful, as you can charge items to your credit card and pay the balance over time. They are fantastic for individuals trying to build credit. By making frequent purchases and keeping up with your payments, you can quickly build a respectable credit history, which will allow you to borrow at preferential rates should you need to. It's important to get the credit card that's right for you. Looking at the APR will help you when you're shopping around. APR stands for Annual Percentage Rate. It's the way lenders describe the cost of borrowing money over a year. This is done in a standard way to allow you to compare the cost of products from different lenders. The representative APR includes the rate of interest, and it also takes into account other charges you'd automatically have to pay, such as any annual fee or loan arrangement fee. Not everyone applying for a loan or credit card has the same likelihood of paying it back on time. Some people are of more risk than others. If lenders determine you have a stronger likelihood of paying what you owe, they may offer you a lower rate. Owning a credit card comes with the responsibility of using it in the right way. Misusing it can be extremely detrimental to your financial situation. One of the most obvious drawbacks of using a credit card is paying back interest. A high APR can drag you deeper and deeper in debt if you don't pay off your balance quickly. With some research in the market, you can commonly find credit cards with a 0% introductory APR to give you time to pay off purchases without racking up charges. Credit cards make it easy to spend money, perhaps too easy. If you're not careful, it's easy to fall into overwhelming debt. It all comes down to being careful with your money. If abused, credit cards can send your credit score into a downward spiral. Your credit score will take a hit if you miss payments, carry a high balance, or have too many credit card accounts. For some people, credit cards can be destructive, but as long as you use them wisely, they'll serve you well.